Why?
Hello, you're on the air. This is 2YYY. Good afternoon. If you're driving home from work or if you're going out to the abattoir, I'd like to say a very good afternoon to you. And we've got Susie here in the control room. She'll be giving us some astrology updates as you're driving home. So let's throw to a track now, and we'll have some people calling up later on with some lovely recipes and thoughts on their period. Hello, sorry, I'll better go now. That's a hilarious take on one of the old songs by Peep Durple, I think they were called. Anyway, we've got Susie coming in a bit early for the astrology today, as I know you probably need to know your astrology driving home around those nasty curves. You never know what's around the corner. Well, due to unforeseen circumstances, Susie's now here early, and I'd like to start up a little vocal track for her on the other track. So, how are you today, Susie? Oh, that's lovely to hear. Well, I'll let you get on with your astrology. Yes? Very good, yes. Yeah, I know. Yes. Very good. Just do the astrology. Thank you.
And
Bye.
hello, viewers, listeners. Here's your driving horoscope for as you're driving home. So, first of all, everyone be safe and be careful. Aries, you have a tendency to road rage. Stay calm and cool. Taurus, stop trying to possess the lanes. Other people also have a right to be there. Gemini, you cannot be in two lanes while you drive. While you're twins, you have to choose one or the other and agree to cooperate internally. Cancer, I know you want to keep everyone safe on the road, Cancer, but if you slow down too much, other people will get very annoyed with you. So please stick to the speed limit and keep going. Leo, we know you're always right, but sometimes on the road it's important to just let go and let God and just stay safe. So please don't try and teach other people lessons. Virgo, not everything can be perfect in this world, Virgo, apart from you, of course. On the road, just try and do your best to stay safe and stop criticizing other people. They possibly can't help it because they're not Virgos. Libra, we understand that balance and harmony are very important to Libra, but please stop flirting with the person in the next lane because you're not watching where you're going, and that's kind of important. Scorpio, on the road, revenge is not always the best course of action. So slow those brakes down and resist the urge to just smash into someone because they're being a prick. Thank you, Scorpio. We appreciate it. Sagittarius, can you please pay attention to where you're going? We really understand that life is big and wonderful and impulsiveness is terrific. But on the road, just watch where you're going, keep going, get home, and then you can party. Stop drinking that sneaky rider beer on the way. Capricorn, it's not your job to police the road rules for everyone else. If you want to be a police person, or even if you are, put on your uniform, but if you want to, go and sign up. Stop trying to police everyone on the road while you're driving. Just drive safely and go where you need to go. Aquarius, you're ruled by Uranus, the planet of impulsiveness. Please, while you're driving tonight home, just go home. you don't need to turn around and go back for the hairnet you'd forgotten or whatever it is you've forgotten. There's probably something on the way home, or you can just get home and order it to be delivered. It's okay. And can you stop waving to everyone as you're going? It distracts them, even though you want to be friends. Pisces. Oh, Pisces. I'm really impressed that you have a license and that you're driving. Just, tune into this plane as you're doing it. Don't try and do past life readings for people in like neighbouring lanes, because even though you'd probably be exceptionally accurate in channeling their whole past lives and future lives, we need to focus on this one so we all get home safely. And we appreciate how lovely you are and kind you are on the road to other people, Pisces. Thank you, everyone. Please be kind to each other on the road. Be careful, and just remember, speed kills.
That was wonderful, that drive time astrology there from the wonderful Susie Vine Scholar. And I think if we're coming up to a lovely night out tonight. I've certainly had a lovely hot curry and... oh no, I've ruined that joke. I've had a very spicy Indian curry. I've just been to the toilet and now I've got a hot date. So, over to the next joke with Susie, who's still in the studio, but she's over at the window at the moment, checking on the... What is it you're checking on over there, Susie?
The traffic.
You what? Oh, you did... Oh. Yeah, but Roger was going to come... But... And there's two back... Oh. Yeah. Oh, well, forget it. Right, now... Well, I'm on your microphone now. I better go back to my microphone. Goodbye. Well, now I'm back on my own microphone, and we can have people calling in from the studio audience, or actually from the radio audience. There's people out there in radio land that might like to ring up with their unusual experiences. If you've got an unusual experience, or somebody you know might have had any kind of unusual experience, you might want to call up and tell us about that unusual experience on the Unusual Experience segment on 2YYY. Why? 2YYY. Ready for our first caller now. Coming in, I think it's someone from Lithgow. And I think we've got Sandra Jacobson. Yes, Sandra Jacobson, who works at Fleming's in Lithgow, is called up. She's on the line now. Hello, Sandra Jacobson. How are you tonight?
Hello, Sandra.
Hello, Sandra.
My unusual story
Yes.
is that usually I'm Sandra.
Sandra,
Now
yes.
Today, when I was at work,
Today, yes.
someone came through. I felt like I was a victim of like racist discrimination.
Oh dear.
They called me Sandra.
Sandra?
Like I'm some sort of Russian prostitute.
A
And
Russian-
I was
Oh.
just offended.
Debauchka.
Totally offended. I have lived in Lithgow for the last 32 years.
Oh.
Since I was born.
Oh.
I've had my 7 children here.
7?
And, I don't
Oh, what's
expect
that?
to be sort of, treated like some immigrant
Madam.
by some immigrant or
Now,
some
madam.
tourist that's coming up to Lithgow. We're very friendly to people usually.
Yes.
But, just because my name tag says Sandra,
Sandra. Sandra.
SAHNDERAH.
That's how you pronounce Sandra.
It's pronounced Sandra, not Sandra.
Madam, have you got the...
So that's my unusual experience today.
Very good, madam. It sounds very noisy there today in Lithgow. Do you happen to have your radio on in the background for it by any chance? Because I'm getting a bit of an echo. From your...
Yes, no, I am quite distressed by it. I take your point.
Yes, it's the echo.
But,
You need to turn your
even
radio
now
down.
I'm confused. I feel like I've got some sort of post-traumatic
Well,
stress
madam.
thing going on, and that
Oh,
I'm
madam, shut that
kind
dog
of
up.
confused because I don't know whether I'm coming
Oh,
or
look.
going or what I should be called anymore.
Well,
And
if you're
these
living in
people
Lithgow, I mean...
that come here should be held to
Oh,
account.
these
in
people,
my
that's
opinion.
right. especially when they're called these people.
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Right.
Yes.
Look, thanks very much, John.
Oh, no
That's
problem.
tremendous.
No,
Thank
please
you.
call up again. It was
I love your
fascinating.
Show. I love it.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye. Sandra Jacobson of Lithgow. And you've just hung up. Oh, there's your dog. Hang up, please. Turn the radio off. Now, listeners, if you're going to call up, you please turn the radio off in the background because we get this spacey echo thing and it's giving me flaccid ashbacks. Who's the next caller we've got here? Kenny, have you got another call for us? Kenny's got another call. He's putting it through. All right. Who is it? It's
Hello.
Bob McNamara.
Yes.
Bob McNamara of Bathurst.
Yes.
He's called in. Hello, Bob. How are you today?
Hello.
Very good. Oh, really?
I'm a truck
yes.
driver.
Yes.
I like to drive trucks.
Yes.
I like to watch them.
Very good, Bob. Yes.
I point to them with a stick sometimes.
Oh, that always happens to me too, Bob.
That's so
Right.
funny.
Well, have you had an unusual experience at all, Bob? Hello, Bob. You there?
Yes, I'm
Hello,
there.
Bob. Bob.
Yes, I'm there.
Bobby. Are you there?
Please don't call me Bobby.
Oh, there you are. Oh, very good. Have you had an unusual experience, Bobby?
Everybody
I mean,
calls me
Bob. Sorry,
Bobby.
Bobby for short.
I'm not that
Short
short,
for
really.
Bobby.
I'm quite tall.
Very good. All right, I'll let you talk then. You tell the story. I'll do the listening.
You do the listening.
No, you do the talk.
No,
Yes,
shut
that's
up,
right.
Let me tell the story. Right.
No problem at all.
Okay,
Just tell the
I'll
story,
tell you the
please,
story.
Bob.
Just let me tell the story. Okay, you ready? Well, what's really unusual
Bob.
have to be,
All right.
Mr. Bob McNamara of Bathurst.
That's right. I've told you your name.
22 Chiswick Street.
Don't tell your address, please. Do not tell your address.
The meaning of my address was not
Well, you-
22 Chiswick Street.
That's right. You better not say
Anyway,
it.
I was making a cup of tea one day, and
Yes.
well, I was jiggling it away, and then
Jiggling.
I put the water in. I thought,
You're not a dangler.
Why was I jiggling? Because I didn't have the water in. I was
Oh,
so
dear.
silly. I'll do anything. I'm mad.
Oh, it sounds like it's
Now, what happens? I pour the
Yes.
water in.
Yes.
And what happens is the tag from the tea bag
Oh.
actually goes into the cup.
Oh dear. That's never happened to anybody before.
It went into the cup.
Nobody's ever. Yes, that's never happened. That's
Oh, you
not.
wouldn't believe it. It was so unusual, this
Well,
experience I've had.
well.
And then, believe it or not, I went to get the
I
tag
believe
out
anything.
of the cup.
Oh.
Nearly burnt my fingers off.
Oh, Bobby.
What happens is it come off the
Oh.
string.
That's just unusual, isn't it, Bobby?
And the bag was in there, but the tag was off.
Oh dear.
So then I tied the string to the can.
Yes.
So when I stirred it,
Ah.
the teaspoon got tangled up. in the
Tangled
string.
up. Eh?
And then the cup
Ah.
went over everywhere. And it
Everywhere.
spilled onto my tick.
I beg your pardon, sir. You cannot use that sort of language. You cannot say hot date. Oh, sir.
Oh dear.
That's not very
I know.
nice.
It was very unusual.
There's children
I thought
listening.
you'd like- I'm sorry I said Dick.
Well-
Yes, no, that was my neighbour.
Oh, that's all right
Well,
then.
not Dick. He was
Oh.
gobbling
Now,
something
sir,
on the floor. I don't know
sir,
what it
pull
was.
yourself together.
No, I'm sorry.
Pull yourself
I'm
together,
doing the
sir.
driving now at Mount Panorama.
Oh,
The
yes.
driving.
Oh, lovely.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, what do you do there?
Yes,
Do you watch
yes.
movies?
Or they'll bring the popcorn up to your
Oh.
window, but if you don't wind it down,
Yes.
it makes a terrible mess.
Oh, dear.
All the little possums come out.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Little
that's
possums.
not very unusual, but the whole tea
No.
bag thing.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I
That
know.
was very
I
unusual.
know.
So unusual.
Oh, you wouldn't believe it.
I would not believe it.
Anyway, it was so unusual, that whole
Oh,
tea bag
yes.
thing.
Oh, it certainly was.
Right.
Bobby.
Cheerio, then.
See you later, Bobby.
Yeah, cheerio.
See you later, Bobby.
Yeah, cheerio, cheerio.
Bobby,
Yeah,
Bobby, Bob, Bob.
Yeah,
Yes,
Cheerio.
goodbye. Goodbye, Bob.
Bye now, yes.
Will you hang up first, please? Turn your radio down in the background, please. I cannot reiterate this another time. Well, I can one more time. Just please turn the radio down when you ring us up, or we'll get a very strange echo and I'll have a flaccid ashback, as I said before. Right, now, another call. Or should we throw to a strange small piece of music? All right, we might throw to a strange small piece of music, and that'll lead us into the next thing. Here we go. Hello, planet. Here we are again with another lovely edition of the 2YYY Evening Drive Time radio show. And tonight we'll be having some people ringing up while you're trying to drive home and frustrating you with their opinions, basically. Going on and on about things that they don't know about, and I'll have to correct them. I'll have to correct them all, because I am the smooth radio host who says all the funniest things that come out of his no questions, tell no lies. And the first caller will be tonight on our radio show Mrs. Evelyn Glossop from Avalon, who's recently moved to Libra, one of her many lovely houses. Anyway, I'll let her tell you the story. Yes.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello?
yes. Oh, yes.
Yes, hello, John. It's a
Look,
pleasure.
listen, I've just introduced you, madam. I don't need to tell your life story again.
Oh,
Thank you. I'm the one telling all the funny things here, so, you know,
look, it's an absolute pleasure
if
to
you
be
don't like
here.
it. And
Right.
that's the end of my argument.
Okay.
Now, you can say what you like, madam, but I'm the
you, John.
most amazing DJ in the world,
You
and you're
are.
not.
No. So, John, you were recently speaking about, unusual experiences people had, yes?
That's correct, Evelyn.
And, look, I've had one recently with
Oh.
all of this pandemic business.
Oh,
And
did you
job
tell us?
keeper,
Tell us,
yes,
Evelyn. What is your experience? What is?
No.
Tell us.
No, my issue is, John,
Yes, I'm waiting.
that I've been having issues getting staff.
Oh, you should be able to go and get
Seriously,
staffed.
You would think people would
Of all
want
people.
a job in the pandemic. We've got job keeper.
Why
job
can't you get
seeker,
staffed? That's
job, you know,
job
give
sleeper. I'd like
handouts
job
to
sleeper where you
people.
can sleep all day.
And you know, I'm in my house in Libra. I
You should
need
be,
someone
madam.
to clean it. I have my 11 Airbnbs.
Well, you could always try using your tongue.
Yes.
Have you tried using your tongue to clean the
I've
house,
my 11
madam?
B&Bs, and I
somebody
can't
else's.
find people that want to work. So
They haven't got the tongues for it.
what are they all doing?
They're out wagging their tongues for another government handout, probably.
Yes.
That's what they
What
always
are they all
do.
doing?
Every
I
time.
just want somebody that wants a job.
Well,
John,
well, madam.
to come and,
Have you
clean
thought of advertising?
houses so they're ready for people.
Have you thought of looking
escaping
after your
from
own child there in
employer.
the background, madam?
You know, the grey set in their camper vans.
Yes. Yes,
Or
I
even
know.
students, wealthy students from
Oh,
the
those
northern suburbs.
Pinko
of Sydney
lefty
that need
students,
somewhere
all of
to
them.
stay and do distance education.
Oh, distance indeed.
You know, no.
No? Well,
Yes.
yes.
Oh, look, thank you for
Well,
your understanding.
Oh, I don't
John.
understand a word of what you're saying,
I very
madam.
much appreciate it.
It's all feminazi gibberish to
Thank
me.
you.
Well,
Goodbye.
I'm glad to see you go there. That was a very silly phone call, and I'm going to have to play a very smart-assed trumpet sound now to make me feel more important than you, madam, while you're not on the air and you can't answer me ever again. That's the way I operate, and I'm a funny guy. Oh, yes. And I've even got my own applause button. Thank you very much. And our next caller is coming in from Portland, New South Wales. And it's Mr. Kevin Gripe.
Hello, I'm Kevin, yeah.
Hello, Kevin.
Yeah, mate.
I'm going very well, and yourself? How are you going, Kevin?
Oh, not too bad.
That's good. That's good to hear.
Oh, my back's been playing up.
Well,
a bit,
I didn't want to hear about that.
Lumbago.
Oh,
It's the
yes, well,
season for it.
You know what you can do with your
It's the
lumbago, my
season for
friend.
Lumbago, that's what they say.
I don't want to
Out the
hear your
prison.
platitudes about lumbago.
Yeah, the prison.
Oh, yes, what's this about prison? Did you have a bad
No,
time there?
Not too much.
Well, did you drop the soap in the toilet at all, or
No,
the
I'd rather not
bathroom?
talk about that.
Well, okay, well, what do you like to talk about at the prison?
I'd like to talk about the fact that the prison might be closing down near Portland. Well, it's actually near Lithgow. We don't own it.
That's right, it's closer to
We give it to
Lithgow.
them.
Yeah, you won't take responsibility?
If it closes down, there'll be a huge unemployment problem.
More than it is already.
Oh, see, look, I've been... Yeah.
What?
No, I'm getting to the point now.
Well, I'd like you
Yeah,
to get to the point. I would like to hear you get to the point.
I've been collecting kebab juice.
Keep it together,
You
man.
get a kebab, you get all this oily, lovely, tasty stuff down the bottom.
No, my missus
Well,
doesn't
I've been
cook that sort of
tipping it
food.
into a little jug. Right, I've
Into
been
a jug?
saving this up for years now, and I was going to make a
that's
lovely
disgusting.
Like, booyah. And,
I don't like the sound of that.
Mate, tipped it down the toilet
Oh, so I would have too, sir.
after I made it into a booyah.
I wouldn't care what the
That's
booyah
it.
you did.
Now, isn't that strange?
Oh.
You combine that with the unemployment at the prison, mate. This place is going.
What? No, don't swear on my show, please,
Say
sir.
what I like. I'll
I-
fucking say
we
what I
don't
like,
allow
cunt.
swearing.
No, fuck you.
No swearing on this show, sir. I know you're having a good time there, but well, I'll be censoring out. Sir, I'll be censoring out these
I
words.
better go now.
You better go, sir. It's just getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Well, don't come back.
Another
Can I give you some advice, sir? Do not come back on this radio show.
Really? Oh, no, I've got another church.
You've got a
Church
what?
service starting in
You've
5
got a
minutes, I've
church
gotta
service
go.
starting in 5 minutes. Oh, that's it. Oh, get off the air, sir. Get off the air, sir. You've obviously had
Fuck you.
too many Fantas. Too many. Oh, this is almost amusing, hearing somebody swear like that. He could have Tourette's syndrome. But then again, he may not. It might have been an old lady from Portland. That's the way they sound often. When I've been to the op shops out there, I'll say, how much for this doily, madam? And she'll say,
Oh, give us 50 cents.
no, well, she doesn't actually say that. Anyway, this is getting far too ridiculous now. I'm going to start being a more mature radio announcer and talking with an authoritarian tone. Goodbye.
Frere Jacques, Are You Sleeping? By unknown author. Sung for LibriVox.org by Ezwa. Bonsoir, Eden. Frère Jacques,